Should I make stuff up to make my immigration case sound better? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. I was talking with my wife, Amani, the immigration lawyer, Amani Ragab Hacking, the other day, and we're talking about how sometimes clients want to embellish or make their case sound stronger than it is. There's really no reason to do that. A lot of times people have very strong cases and they think that if they get a little bit more evidence that maybe things will go better and the case will get approved more quickly. This is dumb. You don't ever embellish, and for those of you who don't know the word embellish means to like tell tall tales, to make up big stories, to make your case sound more serious than it is. So a lot of times you'll see this in asylum cases. With asylum, you're going to have to show that you have a credible fear of returning back home because you're going to face persecution. And so sometimes people want to embellish and make things sound worse back home than they are, or that the threats or the things that have made them scared are more serious than they actually are. This is dumb. You can make a very strong asylum case, you can make a very strong naturalization case, you can make a very good lawful permanent resident case worse by making things up. Because if you get caught in a lie, or if you lie to USCIS or to the asylum office or to a consular official, you're going to get in trouble. There's a real good chance they're going to get caught and your story might be so unbelievable that they just think you're nuts and decide to deny your case just for lying to them or embellishing. One other thing that happened recently was a client tried to bring us some Christmas cards that all looked remarkably similar. They all had signatures in the same general area. They all looked like they came out of the same box. They were all slightly different, but the person brought us some Christmas cards that were obviously all done by the same person. So we chastised them, we yelled at them, we gave them their evidence back, and we went through everything that they did have to make sure that it was all real. So you don't ever submit fake evidence, you don't ever want to lie, you don't ever embellish, and if you're ever in an interview and you're wondering what to do when asked about a particular question, you should tell the truth. Lying is probably the biggest mistake that people make, and it's the one that gets them in the most trouble. Because if you lie to an immigration officer, if you commit immigration fraud, or if you're found to have committed immigration fraud, that can prevent you from ever getting any immigration benefit for the rest of your life. So don't do it. We have fired clients for lying to us. We have fired clients for bringing us fake evidence. And we have fired clients because we figured out that the marriage in a marriage-based case wasn't real. So we take this stuff very seriously. As my wife Amani also likes to say, our law licenses are a whole lot more important than any one case. So if you lie to us or you want us to lie to immigration, we're going to kick you right out the door. But of course our clients don't do that, and the fine people watching these videos would never think about doing that. So focus more on embellishing and focus more on, am I telling too much? Am I making things up? Am I expanding things? Am I making things sound bigger than they really are? Just play it straight. No reason to embellish, no reason to fake facts or do anything. You know, we live in a world where truth is sort of shaky. And these days, you really need to be honest when it comes to dealing with USCIS and with your immigration lawyer. So if you have questions about this, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to find us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get updated whenever we issue a new video just like this one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.